Great Sandwich Map Mystery. Panya the pangolin wasn't like other pangolins. While they dug for ants, Panya dug for crumbs. Not just any crumbs, mind you, but special crumbs. Each one, she believed, told a story, a whisper of geography, a hint of history, even a dash of chemistry. Her cozy burrow was filled with tiny jars, each holding a crumb from a different corner of the world. One breezy morning, while sorting through a new collection of crumbs, Panya heard a faint, delicious aroma wafting from outside her burrow. It smelled like warm bread, fresh lettuce, and something wonderfully zesty. Following her nose, she peeked out to see a most unusual sight. There, wobbling on tiny, crusty feet, was a sandwich. Not just any sandwich, but a runaway sandwich, with two wide, curious eyes blinking nervously. This was Toasty, and he had a secret baked right into his bread. As he scurried past, a tiny, patterned crumb flaked off his side. Panya carefully picked up the crumb. It wasn't round or jagged. It had a peculiar, almost geometric pattern, like a tiny piece of a puzzle, and it hummed with the faintest echo of Toasty's delicious scent. "This isn't just a crumb," she whispered, her scales tingling with excitement. "This is a map made of sandwich." The thought of a sandwich map filled Panya with delicious determination. What grand adventure could such a map lead to? A legendary picnic? A hidden bakery? She carefully packed her magnifying glass, a small notebook for crumb notes, and a tiny, empty jar for new discoveries. She also packed a small, soft cloth, just in case she found more pieces of Toasty. The crumb, surprisingly, had a faint, delightful aroma, a mix of toasted bread and something zesty. Panya followed the scent, her snout twitching, until she arrived at the ancient Whispering Woods. There, perched on a mossy branch, was Professor Hoot, a wise old owl known for his vast knowledge of forgotten things. Professor Hoot peered at the crumb through his spectacles. "Ah, yes," he hooted softly. "This is a fragment of the Great Loaf of Legends, said to hold the secrets to the Library of Fading Scents. To find the next piece, you must solve this riddle. Where the river whispers secrets to the stone, and the sun paints the sky in a fiery cone, there you'll find what you seek, if you dare to roam." Panya pondered the riddle. River whispers secrets, sun paints the sky. She realized it meant the Sunset River Caves. She scurried along the riverbank until she found a hidden grotto. Inside, bathed in the last rays of sunlight, was another crumb. This one, a rich, golden piece of aged cheese, fit perfectly with her first fragment. The two crumbs, now joined, shimmered with a faint light, revealing a tiny, intricate drawing of a bustling marketplace. Panya knew just the place. The Grand Bazaar, famous for its exotic spices and lively chatter. There, she spotted Pip, a quick-witted squirrel who knew all the best nooks and crannies. "A map of crumbs, you say?" chattered Pip, his tail twitching with excitement. "Follow me." He led Panya through winding alleys, past fragrant spice stalls and towering fruit pyramids. Tucked behind a mountain of cinnamon sticks, Panya found it, a delicate green crumb of crisp lettuce, completing another section of her growing sandwich map. With the lettuce crumb in place, the sandwich map glowed brightly, revealing its final destination, a hidden grove, where a faint, sweet aroma filled the air. And there, waiting patiently, was Toasty, the runaway sandwich. He blinked his wide eyes, a tiny smile forming on his crusty face. Toasty led them to a shimmering, almost invisible door nestled between ancient oak trees. This was the Library of Fading Scents. Inside, countless jars glowed with captured aromas, the fresh scent of a spring rain, the comforting smell of Grandma's cookies, even the forgotten perfume of an ancient flower. Panya realized that every crumb, every scent, held a story, and sometimes, the best stories were the ones you shared with new friends, even if one of them was a runaway sandwich.